How to do gradient text in Gimp. First, you need to click here to change the foreground color. Let's say, for example, I will choose neon green. Click OK. And now there are two ways to do this. First way is to click here on Select by Color. And then simply click on this text, and now it is selected only the objects of the same color, in this case in the blue color. Or second way is, let me just click here on None, is to create a new transparent layer. And then simply move this layer above, then right click here and then click here on Alpha to Selection. Hide this layer, and here we can see this transparent layer, but now it is selected in the shape of this text. So to do gradient text, you need to click here, and now here you need to choose normal, okay? Opacity 100%. Here choose perceptual RGB, okay? And then here for shape, you can choose linear, bilinear, radial, square, and so on and so on. I usually leave it as a linear. So now you just need to activate this transparent layer. And here you can choose the gradient. Let's say, for example, I will choose this one here, okay? And now you just need to activate this transparent layer where you selected this text. And now just click here, for example, and just start dragging, okay? Like this. And if you change the angle, it will change the angle of this gradient. And this is how you do text gradient in Gimp.